Hello friends and welcome to the Architecture Enthusiast. In the scenic hills near Lyon France, the silhouette of Sainte Marie de la Tourette emerged, a testament to the architectural brilliance of Le Corbusier, completed in 1960. This monastic edifice, with its brutalist charm, boldly contrasted the serene pastoral surrounds. As I approached the edifice, its pilotis, or the reinforced concrete stilts, caught my attention. This innovative design element elevated the structure, giving it an ethereal hovering essence, while carving out a semi-public space beneath, symbolizing the union of the secular and divine. Walking closer, the building's stark façade revealed its intricacies. Le Corbusier's principle of the Modulor, a human-scale proportioning system, was palpably present. The façade exhibited a rhythmic repetition of brise-soleil, effectively serving as sun shading devices and enhancing thermal comfort within. Upon entering, the meticulousness of spatial arrangement unfolded. The corridors and cloisters were more than mere passageways. Carefully placed fenestration turned these spaces into choreographed experiences, as sunlight patterned the raw concrete, a characteristic of the Brutalist style. The chapel, arguably the nucleus of the ensemble, was a marvel of engineering and design synergy. Its windows, intentionally asymmetrical, allowed sunlight to craft a dynamic interplay of luminosity and shadow, creating an ambience oscillating between contemplative serenity and spiritual awe. The engineering precision was evident in the structure's acoustics. The chapel's walls, with their textured concrete surface, facilitated a muted reverberation, creating an atmosphere conducive to monastic chants and meditative silences. Continuing my exploration, I reached the monk cells. Simple, unadorned, yet meticulously crafted. The cell windows, small and deeply set, modulated the external environment, controlling light and maintaining thermal equilibrium, embodying Le Corbusier's belief in form following function. The use of raw concrete, or béton brut, was more than a stylistic choice. From an engineering perspective, it bore testament to structural integrity and stability. Each layer, each pour, narrated stories of craftsmanship and architectural dedication. The roof garden, an embodiment of Le Corbusier's fifth point of architecture, was a revelation. It not only provided thermal insulation but also acted as a meditative space. The juxtaposition of verdant greens against the gray concrete articulated the harmony between nature and man-made constructs. Venturing outside, the relationship between the building and its landscape was inescapable. The placement of Sainte Marie de la Tourette on the sloping terrain demonstrated a conscious effort to integrate architecture with topography, allowing for natural drainage and minimizing land disruption. Reflecting upon the experience, it became evident that the genius of Sainte Marie de la Tourette lay not just in its design, but in its embodiment of modernist ideals. It championed functionality, celebrated raw materials, and seamlessly integrated engineering and architectural principles. As I departed, the brilliance of Le Corbusier's vision echoed in my mind. Sainte Marie de la Tourette was not just a building, it was a living manifestation of architectural philosophy, a space where stone, concrete, light, and shadow coalesced into a transcendent experience.